she's you, just in case I don't make it home tonight. Hey guys, a funny thing happened and I thought I was getting the penny wig, but then I got this wet and wavy. It kind of tangles more than I would like, but I'm gonna wear it over the next couple of days. I've worn it today and this is what it looks like at the end of the day. I will show you in the morning how I apply it. Yeah, it's really quick and easy. It's the next morning and I'm about to apply the wig again. I'm gonna use one of these mousses. I'll probably use this one. Yesterday this was out, but I want to have less hair out today. You really do not need that much hair for this. Like over here, I didn't put any hair out. So I'm gonna go with that. I'm going to flat twist this. Everything else is, well, this is braided and the back is flat twisted. And the only reason why I'm flat twisting this is if I decide to take more hair out. Flat twists are just quicker to remove than cornrows. Here's the wig from yesterday. I'm pretty sure when I apply it onto my head, I'm gonna have to finger detangle it. Since it is synthetic, it's not the best quality and the back tangles up a lot. It also has these two smaller combs. I'm going to put those here and right here. The big comb in the back is, of course, going to go underneath. So the least hair out possible, the better. It does look very wiggy, but I'm going to fix that. I just want this hair to like fall right here. I'm just gonna pin it right here. It's not on the rim, it's just right here. And that's just gonna kind of keep this down. Honestly, Ambulance has a half wig. It's all the way up, you know, to the front of my head. But then I just have this hair out. I'm just gonna loosely like pull this up and I'm gonna tuck it in there. Pin this because I don't want the ends of my hair to come out. I'm just pinning it out the way so that it doesn't, you know, just come out like this. Now we're going to adjust the edges. I just played with this mixture. It's this Texture ID foam and Eclastyle gel, the olive oil kind. And I just combined the mixture on my hand. It didn't clump up, so it should be fine on my edges. So just plain water.
Oh baby, make we day together. Gucci, Fendi, any designer for your body, for your body. Oh my darling.
Now I'm going to try to detangle it some. So this is just one day of wear. And this is how tangled it is in the back. And I did have larger tangles that I got out throughout the day. So this is like a really temporary situation. And that's why I don't sleep in it. I don't normally sleep in wigs, but I definitely don't sleep in the synthetic ones. And y'all, I don't even remember getting this wig. I really thought I purchased another penny because that is my girl. This is the wet and wavy something. It's also by Outre. You can say hi if you want to know my video. I'm detangling my hair with my Tangle Teaser. I decided that I didn't want to wear it all down, but I don't really have everything I need to like really do it. I'm just gonna section off the front.
Oh, na 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 na.
And I'm just gonna do 2 flat twists in the back.
Your eyes, baby, got me going crazy. So fresh and clean, man. sweet smile from me, babe. You like I did see you for the first time. So fresh like fine wine. You did have me like marijuana. Girl, I want to see you, baby, every time. All I can do is stare, I can't even move, girl. What's the secret, girl? You got me confused. Yeah, that smile, is it your hair? The way you party with your friends, girl. Is it those shoes or that dress? All the makeup on your face, so fabulous. Oh, you're so fabulous.
Just gonna apply it as close to the part as I can. I did not detangle it last night. Let's go ahead and do that today.
Round 1, fight.
For you, babe, kill somebody. The way you whine in the body. Here to deny your birthday.
I'm gonna do a ponytail up here.
Girl, is it those shoes or that dress? All the makeup on your face, so fabulous. Oh, you're so fabulous.
We'll leave the sides and take some from this top part. Best case scenario for this situation, I would say, is to remove the combs because they're kind of getting in the way right here, but I'm gonna leave them. Annoying. You gotta pull it back again. I think what's gonna save me here is the hair is wavy. If my hair is not completely sleek, I'm good. Look at this rubber band, it's like on this last leg. Okay, get away with it, but I feel like my hair is gonna be disrespectful throughout the day, so let's separate it. That leaves me with this little tiny baby ponytail that will hopefully feed into the rest of the hair and not look too bad. I'm just gonna braid this.
Anything you want me to, baby girl, I could do. I could do. You like I did see you for the first time. So fresh like fine.
I look crazy.
You did have me like marijuana. Girl, I want to see you, baby, every time. Smile, is it your hair? The way you party with your friends, girl. Is it those shoes or that dress? All the makeup on your face, so fabulous.
I should just wear it down again. My baby girl has some elastics that I'm going to tape this braid in now. I'll try this again, y'all.
Round 2, fight.
I'm just gonna gather it and make this into like a ponytail first. Now this, I'm sure, is easier like right out the package before wearing it for 2 days. Oh my goodness. She's your queen to be. I don't know what I'm doing with this now. Yo, look, nobody needs to know the journey as long as you get to the destination. Destination at this point in time is to get this ponytail on top of my head and do a half up, half down. I don't know, but the bobby pins, can't deal with bobby pins sticking me in the head all day. Ponytail look a little raggedy, so. Can you see the tracks? What is happening? I'm getting frustrated. I don't need y'all to see me like that. No. This braid is bothering me. Okay. Sorry, y'all. All right, y'all. I had to step away. In that time, I put a ponytail on here. So we're going to try this.
Final round. Fight.
Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why are you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me. I've been there for you.
Okay. What do we do with this little piece? Where you want to go, baby?
Perfect and pretty as you.
I think that's better. I had to take like a minute away because I don't like getting frustrated. And I was getting frustrated like the hair was winning. But mistakes are good. Mistakes help you grow. Let me just pin this just in case. Just in case. I think we're going somewhere, y'all. I'm just pinning hair, like not this hair right here, but hair underneath, just in case it moves. We're good, right? So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Pick another piece from back here, and I'm just pinning this right here, and then this hair falls on top. I think this is how we're gonna keep it. We made it back home. My hair lasted all day. I forgot to come back to y'all this morning and take a picture with my makeup and everything like that, but you know, it's okay. I'm so tired. It was a long weekend, and this hair lasted as long as it needed to, which was these few days, but it is kind of a mess. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.